Here we have our two monster trucks. We've got Luke's orange monster truck. Say hello.
Hello.
And we have Jason's blue monster truck.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
And we are gonna try and have a race down this big hill here. Let's see who wins. Wait, we can still count down. 3, 2, 1, go. Who's gonna win? Oh no, orange is down and out. Blue's going all the way to the bottom. Who's gonna? Oh, and orange has made a fight back.
Yeah.
Oh, blue stopped. Oh, orange is going. Oh, orange has won. He's made it onto the road. Way! Orange wins, aka Luke. Here we have round 2 of Luke v Jason, or orange v blue. Should we do the countdown? Get in position, boys. Get in position. 3, and you, Jace. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, orange is down already. Blue's going all the way to the bottom. Go on, blue. Oh, orange has made a fight back. Oh yes, blue made it down to the road. Go on, give it another push, Lou. Give yours another push. Go on. And it made it down.
I win!
And here we have round 3 of orange versus blue. You ready? Should we count down?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Oh, orange is out again. Blue's making it all the way down to the bottom. Oh, man down over here. Go on, Luke. Oh, blue won again.